Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a New Orleans favorite, Beignettes. A favorite New Orleans treat, Beignettes. Okay, let's add it. For the dough, you take warm water, add sugar, stir it up, throw your yeast in, and then your milk, and then you're going to put some oil in there, a little more sugar, add 3 eggs, and then you're going to be adding flour, screen that in. Oh, I forgot about the vanilla. There you go. And then stir it into a slop. See what you need. Then you're going to need more flour, of course. So you add more flour, the rest of the sugar. Stir that to a perfect sticky dough. And then you make sure that you scrape the sides. Put saran wrap on it. Put it down all so no air gets in it. Throw it in the fridge overnight. Okay, it's 8 hours later anyways. We're going to make chocolate ganache, of course. Add your chocolate, your 10x sugar, cream to tartar, screen it up, add cream a little at a time, and mix it up until you have absolutely perfect ganache. And of course, cream puff filling is easy. Whipped cream, add sugar, taste, perfect. All right, dough's out of the fridge. You're going to throw it on a little flour bed. Of course, you're going to work it up pretty good, and then you're going to cut it in half, and then you're going to work both sides after you oil them. And then, of course, you got to work them a little, press them down. You can feel the dough working nice. And then you're going to get it to the point where you're going to cut it into the squares, and you're going to get ready to fry. Yeah. I just wanted to see you see these things. This is at 350 plus degrees, and look at those babies puff. That's exactly how it works when you make your perfect dough. Then you flip them over, throw them onto your dry rack, and you're good to go. They've cooled down a little. Fill up your chocolate puffs, and then your cream puffs. Maple syrup onto your naked ones, and then powder your tops up good. And voila, you have made yourself a treat. New Orleans Beignettes. Oh yeah. Beignettes with a chocolate filling and a little ganache on the side, or a cream puff filling with a little cream on the side, or standard with a little maple syrup and powdered sugar. Beignettes are a wonderful treat. Try it with a cognac and some coffee. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.